What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I got Alif and Hafiz with me. So today we are going to be splitting up. It's going to be me and Hafiz cleaning the car, and then Alif has to go to Maryland to get some parts. And it is currently 4:58 a.m. right now. We're doing this so early just so we can do, because we're doing 2 videos today. So yeah, it's jam-packed. So Hafiz and I are gonna go to a local self-service car wash station. We're gonna detail the car, restore the headlights, and then Alif is gonna get some car parts because we're about to do some engine maintenance. So yeah, we're just gonna split up, and then without further ado, we'll get started. So yeah. Don't do it the way I'm doing, because I don't have tape right now to mask this, but I've done this so many times that I know where not to hit. Also, I forgot my spray bottle, so we're working with what we got. And yeah, just gonna hope you guys enjoy the wet sand process, and then we're gonna polish it and it's gonna look mint. Alright guys, so as you can see, we're back from detailing the car. Ali's back from getting the parts. If you can see what that is over there, that is for next video. But right now we're going to be working on replacing the low beam bulbs, the turn signal bulbs, and then the rear trunk light bulb. So we're just going to set you guys on time lapse, and then Ali's going to get all of that started for you. Oh, also, he's going to be doing the dome light and everything. We're going to be doing a full LED conversion. So yeah. Okay, so I finished the passenger side footwell light. All the dome lights are good. And the driver's side footwell light, I have to get a new LED bulb because I accidentally burnt it, reinserting it and then pulling it back out. So that one currently doesn't have a bulb. And now all we need to do is do the trunk interior light and then the trunk tail light. So yeah, I'm gonna put you guys back on time lapse. Alright guys, so we're finally done. Everything's buttoned up. Car's been detailed. Interior is nice. LED conversion is complete. Headlight restoration is complete. As you can see, we already have the car back in the garage. Hood is up, so we're preparing for next video. And stay tuned for that because that video is going to be, it's going to be a doozy. But without further ado,
peace out.
Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.